Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to clear app cache and data on Android devices. My Android phone started feeling a bit slow the other day, so I decided to clean things up by clearing some data and app cache, and it honestly made a noticeable difference. What it did was first open the Files app, then went into Manage Storage, where Android shows you what's taking up space. From there, I'll check on sections like large files, duplicate files, and unused apps. I'll tap into large files, selected a few things I didn't need anymore, and deleted them to free up storage. For clearing cache, I stayed in the storage section and opened the app cache option. This shows all the apps storing temporary data. I selected multiple apps. Sometimes I just select all and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your actual app data, which is great because you don't lose anything important. After doing this, my phone felt smoother and a bit faster. It's one of those quick maintenance things that only takes a minute but can really help performance. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.